At the truck out there were huge explosions all around the truck and about the truck. Whichever that looks like it's a truck that delivers the fireworks to the displays later, and that's where it looked like it was happening to me.
Immediately, the police were on the scene, the boardwalk folks, and they were trying to clear the boardwalk. And then while we were still standing there, an ambulance was coming up. And then, of course, the fire engines were right behind them. We could hear the fire engines coming in the distance. So, all first responders were there and acted quickly to secure the boardwalk and get everyone to safety while they worked the issue on the beach.